Testing out new Dollar Tree items. Collapsible basket. These are new at the Dollar Tree. Have not seen them before. I need some scissors. This is a 12-inch by 7.9-inch and 6.3-inch collapsible basket. New. Saw these when we first walked in. Okay. First off, let's get some of this packaging out. Made of plastic here. Let's see how this works. Oh, that was so easy. Did you see that? Oh my gosh. Look, all you gotta do is push that in. Boom. Basket. So easy. So cute. Boom. Just like this. Okay. What can we put in here? This would be a great caddy to carry around your house. You've got your cleaning supplies. You're ready to go clean the bathroom. Put your toilet bowl cleaner, your Windex, some towels. Perfect for that. What do you think? Grab and go. Okay, we got handles here. Looks like you can pick it up from here too. Ooh, this would be good for a snack basket. You know, taking a picnic, you're taking your kids out to the playground. Put some juice boxes in there. You could put some chips and crackers, even their sandwiches. Boom, it is done. So easy. I really am liking this. It's a good size. And look at this. When you're not using it, it goes down. It folds down so easy. Okay, yes, I am definitely love this at $1.25. And I do believe they had some other colors. Oh, you could even store your nail polish in there, which brings me to my next item here. Y'all, this is easy to peel off nail polish. There's a light lavender and a base and top coat right here. Easy to peel off. Guessing that you don't need acetone to remove this. Now I do my nails, so this is gonna be a lot of fun. Okay, ooh, they are super tiny. Look how cute and adorable they are right here. These are so cute. Okay, let's test this out. Let's see if we can really peel off this nail polish. Gonna need my glasses for this one. Okay, shake it up just a little bit. Okay, let's check out the consistency first. I can't even get it open. Okay, oh, there we go, there we go. Okay. Oh, it's really nice and smooth, I have to say, but look at that tiny, tiny little brush. Okay. Let's see how this, now I do have my nails done, but we're just gonna go right over it because, hey, it's easy to peel, so it should not ruin my nails. And let's see. Okay. It is definitely lavender. It does smell a little funky, I will say that. But it's not too bad. It is leveling out. Remember when you were in grade school and you would take the glue and you would put it on your nails and let it dry and then peel it off? This is kind of what it's given me, those kind of vibes. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and let that dry. It doesn't say that I need to use a base coat first, thank goodness, because I just did the color. Remember, do not eat this and avoid eye area. So while this dries, we're gonna test out the next product. These are the travel size little bottles. Now, I bought mine over on Walmart and they do great, they don't leak. So I thought, hey, let's go ahead and try these for $1.25 because those other ones at Walmart are almost $1 each, if not more, probably by now. So if these can be filled without leaking, I think that would be a great thing. First off, right off the bat, I can tell that these are definitely not as thick as the other ones. They are a little bit smaller, but when you are traveling by air, you can't have anything over 3 ounces because they're gonna make you take it out of your bag and then you're gonna throw it away and you're not gonna have your shampoo, so don't do that. Okay, let's go ahead and test it. I have my handy dandy funnel right here. I'm gonna be careful not to ruin my nails. And then we're just gonna go ahead and pour some water in here. Oh, hello, Miss Mindy. Hello, did you come join the party? Here we go. Let's go ahead and see. I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze it to see if we can have anything come out. And I think that's doing pretty well. What if it pops all the way open? But yeah, that one is doing well. I'm gonna go ahead and fill all of them up just to see if it is fail-proof. Did we get a winner or not? Okay, I'm gonna shake it up. Anything coming out? I'm gonna leave that one upside down for a little bit. Let's see if we can if I can balance it. Oh, no, it's not gonna balance. Okay, let's shake this one. Let's squeeze it. Oh, did you see that? It did. It failed. Let me make sure it's not user error. Okay, it wasn't as tight. It wasn't as tight. Maybe it was user error. Yep, see? User error. So they do work, but make sure you tighten them all the way. Let's try this one here. Okay, there you go. Well guys, I think this is definitely worth it at the Dollar Tree. It's that time of year and Peeps are in the stores. Now, do you remember growing up and you just had one flavor of Peeps? Well, now they've got party cake and now they got Dr. Pepper. I like Dr. Pepper and I like cake, but will I like Peeps in these flavors? Have you tried them? Now, are you a Peeps person? I know some people just don't like Peeps. Party cake. We're gonna try party cake first, okay? Let's give it a smell test. It smells like artificial tasting cake. Let's taste it. Tastes just like it smells. It's a little bit sweeter and has more of a cakey flavor than the regular Peeps. So this one, not so bad, although I do prefer just regular Peeps. On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being my favorite on Peeps, like I love Peeps, so I'm gonna say a 10 on a regular Peep. For this one, I definitely will probably give it a 7. Not my favorite. Dr. Pepper Peeps. I'm very intrigued by this one. I wonder if it's gonna smell like a Dr. Pepper. Oh my gosh, it smells, I can't even tell you. It smells just like a Dr. Pepper, like Dr. Pepper, exactly. How did they do that? Is Dr. Pepper and Peeps, are they owned by the same company? I'm telling you, it smells exactly. Now, let's go for the texture because it's not gonna have a Dr. Pepper texture, I know that, but it smells like a Dr. Pepper. It's kind of cherry. Here we go. Does not taste like a Dr. Pepper at all. Although it tastes like a cherry marshmallow. That's what it tastes like. So if you're into cherries and you like marshmallows, might be a good combination. But it definitely smells more like a Dr. Pepper than how it tastes. But not so bad. I would give this definitely a 8. It's actually a little bit better than the party cake one. It's been about 18 minutes since we've done my nails and they are completely dry. Let's see if we can peel this off. We'll put on our safety glasses. Oh gosh. So there you go. Oh, this is just not working real well. It's more like a scrape instead of a peel. This one's a little bit thicker over here, so I would think it would peel off a little bit easier. I mean, it's definitely coming off, but I just felt like it would just come off in one easy, but it's not. You're definitely gonna have to like scrape it off, but you know, hopefully I didn't ruin my nails. It's definitely not coming off as easy as I was hoping it was coming off. It's not peeling off. I'm actually having to scrape it with this little orange stick right here. So yeah, I mean, I'm not really impressed with this peel off polish. I think they could have done a better job making it more peel off. And yeah, because I thought maybe, you know, maybe this would be good for, you know, little girls that want to do their nails and it's kind of a little bit more non-toxic, but it's definitely having a little bit harder time coming off. All right, let's try it with some water. See if that will help it come off. Yeah, this is definitely a fail. I probably should have tested this out on just one of my nails because this is not gonna be fun at all trying to get all of this off. But at least it's coming off. It's not ruining my nails. So this product, I can guarantee you, I do not recommend. Well guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't done so already. And if you'd like to see another video, click on the video link right here and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.